This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter engine. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, trailer wiring, a rear parking aid, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, and daytime running headlights. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Schreier Automotive is located at 7128 F Street in Omaha. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.